Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Mercedes A180 Sport. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 37 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and the car's covered just over 40,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Cosmos Black. As you can see, it's in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the typical Mercedes build quality, so everything's nicely finished. The seats are in great condition, and as you can see are leather, and the front seats are also heated. There's also an armrest and two cup holders there for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and full window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and the rear passengers have their own air vents in the centre, as well as nets in the back of the front seats. And it's good to see that the Mercedes carpet floor mats are still in place. And let's open the tailgate. On the A-Class, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with the panoramic roof, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.